What's good, everybody? It's Dre. I'm back with another video. As you guys could see, the track day went good, but we had a little traction issue.
Don't look
He
at
just
me, nigga.
he just want to be in my video. He could be in my video. Yo, but listen.
Yo.
The track day went good. We about to take off the B-locks with the Race Masters. It was my boy's wheel. I'm about to give him back his wheel. My 17s came. That G80 is food, but my 17s came. These wheels right here, I got the 17 version for the rear. So we about to put the 17s on. I got Hoosiers DR2s, which I will be running now, the Hoosiers radios. I will be changing the bolts in the B-lot right here. I will be making the bolts stainless steel silver, so it'll pop a little bit more. Yeah, so it will be like a black on silver theme. I'm gonna show y'all the 17s and I'm gonna show y'all the tires. All right, so we have the new setup. Hoosiers 275 40 17. That's gonna be the rear. The wheels right there, 17s. So this is the look I'm gonna be going with for the front also. I'm gonna put these silver bolts into the front wheels. Then I'm gonna put Hoosiers on the front too. I got the Hoosiers in my crib. I gotta go get those. I'm gonna put Hoosiers in the front. So it will be Hoosiers in the rear and front. The front will be 245 40 18, and the rear will be 275 40 17. So it'll be a 18 17 fitment. Yeah, but we're gonna get busy. Alright, so we put the stainless steel bolts in now. Wheels pops a little bit more. I like it better, I ain't gonna lie. So that's how it looks now. We about to put the rears on. Shit about to look OD fire. So next time we go to the track, it's gonna be problems. Hoosiers on. We about to put on the Hoosiers. Busy day. Hoosiers on right here. Getting right. Got a carbon fiber trunk spoiler. Shout out to SenCal Motorsports. You know me?
Wait, SenCal, the same company supposed to send my exhaust?
Exhaust, right? Yeah.
And still haven't.
This is SenCal. I gotta send the exhaust, man.
Don't worry, SenCal. I'm just playing with y'all.
That exhaust is fire.
I do, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The way it gets quiet and then gets, bro.
And it sounds crazy.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like that shit.
Yeah, they sent me.
I guess they don't mess with G80 guys. It's okay, guys.
They probably in production. They had sent me a other one, but I ain't like that one. I like this one. This one runs right across, like factory. The other one stop in the middle.
And so this is what? What is this?
The trunk spoiler.
Oh, we gotta check out the old one though.
They had like the high kick one that sits in the middle.
Yeah.
I want the one that runs across. This is the one that runs across. Ah! Shit shocked me.
Oh my god.
I swear to God, bro, shit shocked me.
Shock. Shocking.
Yeah, nigga, I don't know how.
Why you always put a razor blade on the paint?
I don't know why I put a razor blade on the feet. That's
Bro.
bad. Do not follow me, guys.
Oh my
Irresponsible.
god. Irresponsible is not the word.
It's irresponsible. My English ain't really the best.
I think you said it right. It's just. I think the word was right. It's just.
The way I pronounced it.
No. Irresponsible is just what I was just saying. Putting your shit on the paint is irresponsible.
Yep. Right.
But I guess when you have people that could.
So this is the G42 PSM style. Shout out to St. Cal Motorsports. We got to install it. I got my exhaust from them.
Can you see the showing sign? Oh, nice. No, other side. Yeah. Nice.
Heat.
Nice.
We going fast in style, man. As I said, no tricks, no gimmicks. You know me. Alright, this is what we wanted.
All right, so get the
string.
this. Well,
The
I
thing
guess.
on the bottom,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. Oh, they know you're off the wheels? You know you're off the wheels?
Oh yeah. Got new wheels.
And replace the rusty bolts.
New wheels right now. We changed 17s in the back, 18s in the front, and we changed the bolts.
Did you get the right tire size for that?
245, 40, 18 in the front, 240, 275, 40, 17 in the back. So 245, 40, 18 front, 275, 40, 17 in the back. Works for all G series 40s. 240, 340, and 40. And 340. 440.
See that you gonna put the G80.
Well, you can fit.
See?
So I guess this is how you configure a fuel pump.
Yo, listen,
Yeah.
don't
you got
hate
it?
on me. I'm comfortable, you know.
I get what you're doing. You don't want to bend the wire, so you just.
Yeah, I want to put it in the proper position.
This is probably working on.
It's right there.
G80.
Under the car.
Again, this is currently fuel pump. All right. He working under an invisible car. He said he not trying to mess the lines
really
up.
laid out like he's working under a car.
It's crazy.
Yo,
I can turn that off.
you try this next time. Tell me it's not better than sitting in the chair.
You know what it is, and you save your back.
Yeah, bro, that shit was killing me right now sitting there.
Proper way to take this off for me. Make sure you use a string, not a wire. A wire gonna scrape the trunk up. Gotta use a soft string. Alright, so we got most of the old glue off. We just finishing cleaning up the surface. We about to add two-sided tape and then throw on that throw on the new trunk spoiler. And then the last thing we have to do is finish up the custom fuel pump that you can't get online. You gotta come in shop for it. Right, Merrick? The custom fuel setup, they gotta come in store for it.
Yeah, there's no leaking of that stuff.
I can't leak that, but that's the last thing we're gonna do. I'm not gonna put it on camera, but just know we ran 8.9 on a single pump. I don't think nobody done that yet. Everybody go twin pump, surge tank this. We went 8.9 on a single pump.
Stock fuel tank.
Stack fuel tank. And then now we about to add a twin pump just for safety reasons. And then we're gonna send it. But if you want the sauce, you know where to come. pause, you know where to pull up.
Or
Feel me?
wow.
Can't give y'all too much sauce because we have the haters watching this too, I know.
Like, yeah, this nigga is sauce.
Yeah, it's the sauce for real. And listen, Florida, I'm gonna prove a point in Florida, I'm telling you. Just remember I said that.
Stop talking.
All right,
Too much.
let me stop the talking. We ain't gonna talk too much. We gonna let it be.
Let the car do the talking for you, man.
Hey.
Let the car do the talking. I believe in that.
We out to Florida.
Give me another rag, then we'll go. It's the next week.
Nigga, I'm not leaving. We out. Is the 18th to the 19th.
This month?
Yeah. So I think it's week after next week, or like the week. Yeah. Bimmer Invasion is the same day, and then the event start in the night.
Okay.
So we out to Bimmer Invasion first, then the event. Yeah, good day. Fuck around, get a rental out there too. Get a big, bust some serious time. We got a lot of cooking up going on, but I just gotta stay tuned. That's all I have to say. Stay tuned. We cooking up. All right, so we finally are gonna install the Downstar dress-up kit for the engine bay. It is blue, like burnt titanium. I know it shows the M340, but it's basically the same V58 engine bay. Feel me? So we about to put those on. We didn't bother to put the trunk spoiler on because I want to buff off the trunk before we put it on so the surface could be perfect. So right now we're spoilerless on the trunk, but we about to install the Downstar engine bay dress-up kit. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do a time lapse. All right, so we just finished putting on the Downstar dress-up kit, as you can see. Titanium, burnt titanium. Feel me? It's fire, I ain't gonna lie. Even right there, shout out to Downstar. I'm gonna leave the at on the video and a link in my description. But yeah, everything is fire. G80 getting worked on too. We found the issue out. It was a broken.
Didn't get to eat then. I'm just gonna walk.
We thought it was a drive shaft, but it ended up being a diff.
Yes, so it's a diff and not the drive shaft. But we back on road right now. Brand new diff in. Shout out to my guy right here. Came all the way from South Jersey. It's good. For me, hooked us up with a diff.
He's always at track. But look, just want to show what really happened. This is the drive shaft.
Yes.
Intact. This is the part of the diff.
Oh.
Broken inside of the shit.
Okay.
We'll have to get it out, but we just keep this as a spare diff.
So we broke the output shaft on a diff.
I got you.
All right, but we cooking up, man. Trust me. Fuel system getting done. I can't show y'all that. It's too much sauce. Fuel system over there getting cooked up. G80 done. Back on road. Downstar bolts in. There's a lot of cook up, bro. All right, so we finished putting on the Downstar dress-up kit and installing the fuel system. We about to do some logs to make sure the fueling is right now. Car should be running a lot safer. Feel me? So just stay tuned. I'm gonna get some pulls to show y'all. I'm doing the logs. I'm gonna get some pulls. Try to get some time in too. I'm gonna just let y'all see how the Downstar kit actually looks though on the G42. All right, just so you have a good look at the Downstar kit. You can see the titanium bolts, burnt titanium all over. We have bolts everywhere, even on the fender. I gotta get an engine bay washed though, but it definitely made the engine bay a little prettier. Big boy precision. World's fastest G80. We in the lab. Fuel system in, full interior, man. Picked up my plates today.
You know, show them. Dad. Son.
He don't want to lock in. Oh, and this is how we have the 17s on now.
He don't believe that. He thinks he's faster, but the times don't seem
Listen, we know what car is faster, my man.
Just for you, when you drop this video, I'm gonna drop the video of my kid walking a little.
Stop it right there.
Yeah.
New 17s is on Hoosiers. Feel me?
Yeah,
We about to do.
who's just gonna book?
Yeah, who come booking up?
What else?
We're gonna get some logs in,
55 months
and we're gonna be ready.
or
Alright, this is the final look. We got the Hoosiers on, 17 in the rear, 18s in the front, 275, 245. It's pretty dirty right now, but yeah, see the vibes. Ready to rumble.